Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a money overlay in CapCut on your PC. Let's get started. First, add your main video clip to the timeline. Next, duplicate your video layer by pressing and holding the Alt key, then dragging the video upwards to create a new layer. With the upper layer selected, go to the Remove Background menu and choose one of the three options. If you have a green screen, choose Chroma key. Otherwise, choose Custom or Auto Removal. For my video clip, Auto Removal is good enough. This will automatically remove the background, isolating the subject so the money effect can appear behind them. It might take a few seconds for the auto cutout to process, depending on the video's length. You can check if the background removal tool did its job well by hiding the main video layer. Click the eye icon to its left to do so. If everything looks good, click it again, and let's move on to the next step. Bring in your money overlay video by dragging it to the timeline, placing it between your two video layers. You can find plenty of free money overlays online, but I'll link the one I'm using in the description in case you'd like to use it. With the money video selected, go back to the Remove Background menu and choose Chroma key. Use the color picker tool to select a color in the money overlay background. And that's it. You've just added a money overlay to your project in CapCut. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.